Okay. See question number 6. For any three positive real numbers ABC, 9 times of 25a square plus b square plus 25 times of c square minus 3ac is equal to 15 times of 15b times of 3a plus c. Then whether ABC are in AP or GP or BCA are in AP or GP like they are asking. Answer is BCA are in AP, but it will not come that much easy. This is what is complicated algebraic question, and see how we are going to deal this question. Okay. Now first let me expand this and send all at one side and make it equal to 0. Then we will get some idea what to be done and that. Okay. See 25 into 9. 25 into 10 is 250. 225? Yes. 225 a square plus 9b square. Okay. Plus 25 c square minus 75 ac. Okay. See 15 into 3, 45 AB. It comes this side means minus 45 AB. 15 BC, if come this side automatically minus 15 BC is equal to 0. Is it correct first you see? Okay. Now observe carefully here what is happening. What first appearance? See 15A minus y. Minus y I am telling here minus have come already. Okay. See what I want to say. A minus b minus c whole square will come a square plus b square plus c square, but minus 2ab but plus 2bc again minus 2ca. Okay, you compare just not exactly equal, but you compare. Why? Because the analogy you have to do. See, I am putting implies not equal to. See 15a square is there. Sorry, 15a. Okay. And minus, why? Because the first term I am taking first positive, remaining are minus I am taking. We have to see why, because here, see here even if you take also, see AB is minus, okay, but BC should come plus. Okay, again CA should come minus, but here if you compare AB minus, okay, BC also minus is there. That is why weighted. Okay, see 3B minus 5c whole square. Okay, just I have written, but let me see what will come under. Okay, that is why I am implies I am keeping a minus b minus c whole square like you think, and you expand this. You see a square 225 a square plus b square 9b square plus c square 25 c square. Okay, until now okay, 25 a square to 9b square 25 c square until now okay. But now you see 2AB, 15 into 3, 45 into 2, 90 AB, but minus 90 AB. 45 AB only is there. Okay, not matter. That means this formula is not going to work. Wait, even though we have to expand fully. 2AB, 2BC. See 2BC means here plus will come. B both are negative. Okay, 2BC. Plus 2 into 3 into 5, 15 into 2, 30 BC. Okay, but here BC is 15 only. That too here minus, here plus. Okay, last minus only will come. 15 5s are 75, minus 75 into 2, 150 minus 150 AC. Minus 150 AC is equal to 0. But here only 75 AC there. Minus is okay, but 75 AC is there. Okay, this minus also okay, but 90 has come, 75 has come, double has come. Now what you are going to understand here, that means see, this formula is not going to work. Understand? This formula is not going to work. Why? Because if this formula works, then we can think in some other way. This formula is not working, but you can get some advantage. You see, these are there. Now what formula I want to make? Observe carefully. A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square equal to 0. This formula now I am keeping. Okay, this equal to 0 I have already made, but this is not going to work. I am putting this into my, okay. A minus B whole square plus B minus A whole square plus C minus A whole square. This formula we will apply and we will see. what will happen? A means here 15A, B means 3B, C means 5C. Okay? Like that we will take and we will apply. Okay? Now see what is happening. 15A minus 3B whole square plus 3B. 3B minus 5C whole square plus C. 5C minus A. 15A whole square is equal to. Okay? Now we will see, we will expand and we will see that whether it comes or not. Okay? This equal to 0 implies I am keeping, and let me see what will come under. Okay? See here, A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square 225 A square plus B square 9B square minus 2AB. 15 3s are 45 into 2 90 AB. Okay? Plus A minus B whole square. A square 9B square plus B square 25 C square minus 2AB. 3 into 5 15 into 2 30 30 BC plus A minus B whole square. A square 25 C square plus B square 225 A square minus 15 5s are 75 into 2 150 150 CA or AC, both are same, that is equal to 0. Okay, now you see here, even if you compare this equation, I want to take it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Even if you want to compare, now also this is not exactly 1. Why? Because the 225 A square 2 times has come. Okay, 9B square 2 times has come. 25C square also 2 times has come. But we can do one thing. Why? Because you take 2 common and send that side. Automatically this equation is going to come. Okay? Let me do it. 225 A square plus 225 A square. 2 times of 225 A square plus. Why? Because see 225 A square, 225 A square over. Okay, now you see 9B square. That means see 9B square, 9B square. Okay, 2 I am taking common. 9B square plus 25C square. See 25C square, 25C square. 2 times are there, 2 outside I have kept. Okay. Now also you see here only 1 time has come, minus 150 CA. That means 2 we have already taken outside. That means minus 75 CA. CA or AC both are same. Okay. See minus 45 AB, minus 90 AB is there. Okay, this also you put a dot. Minus 90 AB, this. Okay, 45 I can take minus 45 AB. Okay, this matched. Now only one term is there pending. What is that? 30 is BC. That means 15 is there outside you have taken. Minus 15 BC is equal to 0. Now is it okay? Definitely. When 2 you send that side, automatically this is going to become equation 1 only. Okay? Now what we have to do? This u is equal to 0. Na? Then each also you equate it to 0. That means 15A minus 3B equal to 0, comma 3B minus 5C equal to 0, comma 5C minus 15A is equal to 0. Okay? See, overall 0. When it is going to become 0, you tell me. When squares are there, automatically whenever this is not going to become equal to minus 1. Plus together is not going to become 0. That is one logic. That means these should be zeros, then only this is going to become 0. This is logic. This is 0 means automatically we are making 15 here. This is square 0 means ordinary also 0 only, without square also. Okay, that is the logic. Now you see 15A is equal to 3B. Okay, 3B is equal to 5C. Okay, again 5C is equal to 15A, 5C is equal to 15A, already we have written, we need not write again. Now what I want to say, now crucial step I am doing, this is equal to largest number, 15 into 5 is 75, LCM like. Okay, you may ask, sir, 15, 3, 15 LCM we can take like 3, 5 times, 5, 3 times goes. Don't take, if you take that you are not going to get answer. Largest number you take, largest number means 15 into 5 is 75. That means this is equal to 75K I am taking. Left. Understand? How that 75K has come? 15 into 5, 75K. K we have taken. Now you see 15A is equal to 75K, or else A is equal to what? 5K. Okay, comma you keep. Then see 3B is equal to 75K, comma B is equal to 3 equals 25K. Okay, underline. 5C is equal to 75K, comma C is equal to 5 how many times? 15 times. 15K. Okay, this also you underline. Okay, now you have got almost nearer to answer. See, now I want to write like this. See, A comma B comma C implies 5K comma 25K comma 15K. Okay. See, if these are in GP, 25 by 5 is 5, 15 by 25 is not 5. That means not in GP. Okay. Okay. And also, are these in AP? Why? Because see, 25 minus 5, 20. 15 minus 25, not 20. That means not AP. Okay, that means see, these two ABC are in AP also close, ABC are in GP also close. Now you go for BCA. Why? Because here they are guiding your answer. Okay, BCA. BCA means what you have to write? Now I am writing like this. BCA implies. BCA implies. You see, BCA means what you are going to write? B means 25K, comma C means 15K, comma A means 5K. Okay. Now see, are these in AP? See what I want to say. If these are in AP, A plus C is equal to 2C. A plus C is equal to 2C implies, you see, 25 plus 5 is equal to 30K. That is equal to 2 times of 15K. Implies B comma C comma A are in AP. Okay, this is your answer. C. B, C, A are in AP. B, C, A are in AP. Now you understand this. This is completely algebraic question. Okay, you have to follow like this only. Then only you will get answer. Let us go for next question.